When my father picked up his VW Golf this week, I found that VW are offering this device called a VW Connect data plug, which fits into the OBD onboard diagnostics port that is just underneath the dashboard, and it gives you a lot of information about your car and journeys that you're doing in the car. So just underneath the dashboard here there is a purple socket, and the plug just sits onto that. And then once that's connected and the car has been started, you have an app called VW Connect, and you can then see various bits of information about the car and statistics about how many miles you've done, what information the car is showing you. Excellent app and really useful information. One of the other things it shows you is where your parking space is, so whereabouts you parked your car. Very, very handy if you've been parked in town and you're not 100% sure which street you parked on, it will tell you. So highly recommend it. It's free, so call into your VW garage and see if you can get hold of one.